Well, happy Monday once again, everybody. This is Bryan Devore with the Devore Realty Group, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, California Properties. It's Monday, July 26th. We're almost at the end of July, and we're once again here at the Monday Market Moment. A few things to talk about this week. We have the latest stats, of course. We have the Market Tracker Report provided by Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, California Properties, and is inventory coming back? So we may be able to answer that question at the end of our video. Let's jump into the stats and see what's been going on. So the totals, right now we have 3,528 active listings in San Diego. That is down 24 from 2 weeks ago. Pending sales, 4,263. That's down 9 from 2 weeks ago. So it's kind of interesting. We are seeing a little bit of drop in pending sales, maybe a little bigger drop in active listings. Months of inventory, really no change, 0.83 months. I noted last Monday Market Moment, we jumped up quite a bit from in the 0.7s range. Now we're above 0.8, which we hadn't been at in quite a while. So it's stabilizing, I think. And then for the last 2 weeks, we saw 2,089 new listings come on the market. That's down 12 from 2 weeks ago. New pendings, 1,691. That's a big increase of 150 from 2 weeks ago. So think about in the last 2 weeks, we saw new actives coming on the market about the same, a little bit lower, but quite a bit more homes going into escrow. So it's showing that the market is still a super seller's market. Pending sales that were listed within the last 2 weeks, 504. So almost a third of the homes that were listed in the last 2 weeks are already in escrow. And just speaking from the experience I've had with my clients' listings, they've all been selling within about a week or so. So it really just depends on pricing, location, etc. But a lot of homes are still selling really quickly. New closed sales, 1,470. This was something I didn't expect. It was a drop of 58 from 2 weeks ago, and we've been seeing increases over the last few weeks, the last month or two. Median list price, 740,000. That's up $1,000, whopping $1,000 from 2 weeks ago. Median sales price continues to climb, $765,000. That's up $5,000 from 2 weeks ago. So looking at the graph of new actives, new pendings, and new sales over the last 2 weeks, and we can see inventory staying about the same. Pendings did jump up quite a bit. We're about at the levels we were in the last month or two, and closed sales, like I said, dropped a little bit. Still pretty strong comparatively to what they were even a couple months ago. And then the pricing, we have seen about the same, like I said, over the last couple of weeks as far as pricing. The median list price and sales price are all around the same area. So we do have the market tracker report to talk about. And this is just single family detached properties in San Diego County. This is for the month of June. And we can see here month to date, new listings that came on the market in this past June, 2852. That's down almost 20% from a year ago. Sold listings down 16%. I'm a little surprised about that. I kind of thought we'd see more homes coming on the market as people were getting more vaccinations and people might feel more confident. But I think one of the reasons why we're seeing inventory go down is because people don't know where they're going to go. That's kind of a quagmire for people. They want to sell, they want to capitalize on the market, but they don't know where they're going to go. Some are moving out of state. A lot of clients we're working with right now are selling and moving to a senior community or other location, but it is a little challenge for some people. So inventory is down, sold listings down 16%. I think that's because we're not having as much inventory. Median list price up almost 25%, median sold price up almost 30%. Median days on market down half, and then the average prices, average days on market, and then list price to sold price ratio was up 5%, quite a bit. Year to date, we're seeing down 22% in new listings, down 10% in sold listings, and up 19% in median list price, up almost 24% in median sold price. I like this graph because it shows the sort of price sections of inventory in San Diego, number of properties in the different price categories. Number one is the 500 to 749 category. It used to be the 400 to 499, but as prices are going up, that's growing. Interestingly, the last time we did this, the market tracker, and I think the time before that too, the next highest category was the 1.5 million plus category. It's no longer that case. It's the 750 to 999 category. So we're seeing more of those homes coming on the market. The next category is the 1.5 plus, and then the million to million point five. And then not a whole lot of inventory in that under 500 category. Finally, listing inventory and number of sales. We can see the number of sales really hit its peak last year around this time, and it's been dropping ever since. It has risen this year a little bit, dropped. We're on the rise, perhaps we'll see. And then listing inventory, though, is way down here. So inventory issues, I think we might be stabilizing a little bit, but we'll have to see what happens over the next few weeks. So that's it for this week's Monday Market Moment. And we appreciate you watching, of course, as always. Feel free to share this with anyone you know who might benefit from this information and knowledge. Otherwise, we'll see you next time on the Monday Market Moment. And of course, give me a call if you have any questions at all. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.